Hi, this is Makoto and welcome back to another Vocaloid reaction. Today, my favorite Len Rin Kagamine live performance, Remote Control. I think this song was played in almost all concerts from them, and because it's a banger, it's so fantastic, and I thought I'm gonna react to the Magical Mirai version from 2015. And this really, it always is good and it's hyped you up. Here we go. The beginning already is so cool, yeah. This song, one of my favorite Len Rin Len songs. It's so catchy. It's so, it's so hyped you up. It's so, you have to move. You have to. It's so, da 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 and so catchy. You know, it's this. First time you heard it, especially live, and then there's the guitar. This, oh, this is such a banger. This is a song that I freaking love. They're so catchy. They have just the melody, have this where just it goes on. And this is a song where just vibing and just band drives you. Songs like that drive you are fantastic. That's why I love it. And I love here the interaction between Len Rin and the dances, of course, and the scream of A, B, A, and L, and yeah. And the crowd is always, by Vocaloid concert, the crowd, it's so fantastic. The fandom, the Vocaloid fandom, this is so, it's always, I feel always so happy to, also be a part of this amazing fandom, because it is so fantastic. With Vocaloid, we can do so fantastic, so many songs, and all over the place, you know, it's, all genres are there, because you have these different voices, Len Rin, Miko, etc. And you can do what you want. The producers can do rock songs, pop songs, metal songs, and bangers, and yeah, it's fantastic. Just the beginning, they're just, you know, the voices in the beginning are robotic, and then slowly becoming more like faded iron, and then also with the screen is it hypes you up, and it also has this typical way you can dance as so it's really like rock and roll. We're just moving, and yeah. And the voices, you know, freaking love it. And then with the English part, so you can sing a little bit with it. It's good. It's and then having a live band is even more fantastic. And because you have the two different voices, you know, you have Len, the deeper voice, and then a Rin with higher voice, and so it's amazing. And my favorite part, you probably can guess it, it's and you know, it's so funky, so rocks, it's everything. It's just so cool. This is a driving song, and I freaking love it. You know, this explains why I love Vocaloid songs so much. This is a song. It's amazing. It's bangers. And has sounds and elements I never have heard by other songs or in Wii songs. You know, this is also unique sound, or we say this is the Vocaloid sound. They have created, the musicians or the producers, just iconic songs and also melodies. This is so, yeah, that's what I love. It's really so amazing, and yeah, love it. Always be my favorite. Always can listen to it. This is a thing. This is a song I always can listen to. It's never get boring, and it's hyped. It really hyped you up. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. As a Vocaloid fan, it's yeah. That's what I do, is that I can share with you my love for this amazing, music. Bye bye.